welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a 2-ingredient tea for those suffering from high blood pressure. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds has a lot of health benefits, such as it's rich in antioxidants, lowers blood pressure, has anti-cancer properties, promotes healthy hair and skin, aids to blood sugar control, relieves arthritis pain and lowers cholesterol levels. The black sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds. Then to this add half teaspoon of peppercorn. Pepper is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, benefits your brain, improves blood sugar control, lowers cholesterol levels, has cancer fighting properties and it's a versatile spice. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check. The flavors of the black sesame seeds are well extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this sesame tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. To this add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon helps in weight loss. Give it a good mix. Strain and add it to a mug like this. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. This drink is safe for pregnant and nursing mothers. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this black sesame seeds tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.